What if your watch could actually save your life? Imagine being on top of a mountain, deep in the forest, or even in the middle of the ocean with zero signal, and still being able to call for help. That's the promise of the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3, and this year feels different. This year, Apple might finally give us a watch that's more than just a small upgrade: design and display. So, what's new? First, design. Apple is trimming down those chunky bezels and giving us a slightly larger 2.1-inch display. It may sound small on paper, but on your wrist, that extra space makes maps and notifications much easier to see. The titanium build remains rock solid, but this time the display feels more edge-to-edge, sharper, and more efficient thanks to LTPO, maybe even micro LED. That means brighter colors, better visibility outdoors, and lower power drain. Battery life. Battery life is finally getting serious. The original Ultra gave around 36 hours, and Ultra 2 wasn't much better. But now, thanks to the new S11 chip and efficient display, we're talking about up to 3 full days of normal use, and 4 days in low power mode. That finally makes it a true competitor to adventure watches from Garmin. Connectivity and safety. Connectivity is where it gets really exciting. For the first time, the Ultra 3 could feature 5G RedCap technology, designed specifically for wearables, giving you faster data without draining the battery. Even bigger, Apple is rumored to add satellite messaging. Imagine being stranded with no cell signal anywhere in the world, and still being able to send an SOS. That's not a gimmick. That's real life-saving tech. Health features. On the health side, we might finally see blood pressure monitoring. It won't replace medical devices, but it can warn you if your numbers are trending high. That alone could save lives. Blood glucose isn't here yet, maybe next generation. But combined with heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking, this watch is becoming a serious health companion. Price and verdict. And the best part? Apple is expected to keep the same $799 price tag. So, should you upgrade? If you already own the Ultra 2, it's a tougher call. But if you're on the original Ultra or have never owned one at all, this might be the perfect time to jump in. For me, the Ultra 3 feels like the first real leap forward. Bigger screen, stronger battery, satellite rescue, 5G, and new health tracking. Not just a gadget, but a tool that makes you feel safer, more connected, and ready for any adventure. Outro, a call to action. So, what excites you most? The longer battery, the safety features, or just the sharper screen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for my hands-on review once I get mine.